Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to very quickly create a landing page to receive payment. So we'll click on Make Sales. This is to generate leads, and that's for other stuff like thank you pages. And then we'll have a bunch of templates that we can choose from. So we can just choose the right one for us. So you'll see that this is a checkout page, so it will have a section for credit cards ready there. Let's see what else we like. Maybe what we'll do is we'll just choose this one here, the first one, which is the book funnel checkout page. So in this phase here, we can check how it looks on desktop and mobile and see whether or not it's something that we want to keep or not. If not, then we can go back to templates and choose something else. But for the purpose of this video, I think it will be good enough. So now it's going to load the editor for us so that we can edit the page, and we'll call this the checkout page. Hit continue. Okay, so here we can make all the edits that we want, so we can just call this an amazing and oops, let's do it this way, an amazing product. And then delete this part, this one here as well. And then here we can just edit the image. So we'll go down here and we can either upload our own image or we can use one of their images instead. And here we can edit the amount that we want to get paid. In here you'll need to predefine what the product is within Stripe, and then it's going to show up here on the pre-sale. For the integration, this is where you can have the details that they fill out here go to one of your lists, and then you can have it do an action afterwards. So you can have an autoresponder get triggered, and you can have multiple integrations that come up here as well. These are the two fields that are compulsory, and then you can add other fields as well if you want to. So you can ask them to put in a note or have their first name or other fields here as well. And after they've purchased, you can decide here where you want them to go to. So you can choose to direct them to an internal template page that you've already built, or another URL, or you can just keep them on the same page. Let's just leave this one as it is. And then here you can edit this. Obviously, this is now not 2017 anymore. Let's move this here. So copyright 2020. Then we'll leave the rest as is. We need to set up our payment section. So let's just choose the Amazon coaching program. And then now we can publish the page. So now we can hit publish, and then check our page, and that's it. Okay, cool. So now that's pretty much done. So if we go to the page now, we can see that we have our very own product page where we can take payment for this amazing product. And you can see here that that's the amount, testimonial, very simple.